Today we are practicing subtracting using place value blocks. We are going to start with the problem 457 minus 132. 457 is the greatest number that has 400, and 132 only has 1. So we are going to subtract from the greatest number, the least number. I'm going to build 457. I have 400, 5 tens, and 7 ones. I'm going to build this in an imaginary 10 frame with the exception of my hundreds. So I have rows of 5, and then I would complete that by using another row of 5 to make a 10 frame. So 7 on a 10 frame would be a row of 5 and 2 more. So now I need to figure out if I can subtract what I have without any regrouping. So as I look at this problem, I see I have 100 I need to take away. If I have 4 hundreds, I can easily take 1 away. I have 5 tens, and I need to take away 3, which is possible. And then I have 7 ones, and I need to take away 2, which is also possible. So I don't have to regroup on this problem at all. So it doesn't matter where I start. I'm going to start in the ones though. And I'm going to take from my 7, take 2 away. And then from my tens, I'm going to take 3 tens away. And from my hundreds, I'm going to take 100 away. So now I can go through and write my values at the bottom. So 300 has a value of 300. So I'm going to write 300. 2 tens has a value of 20. And 5 ones has a value of 5. So when I add 300 plus 20 plus 5, that is 325. To verify that my answer is correct, remember the answer to a subtraction problem is called a difference. I'm going to count my base 10 blocks. I have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325. So the difference of 457 and 132 is 325. I'm going to clear my board and try another problem. This time I'm going to subtract 201 from 328. Again, I'm going to build my greatest number, and the greatest number here is 328. And then I'm going to take away 201 from that. So here is our 300s. Then I have 2 tens and 8 ones. Again, remember to use that invisible 10 frame so that we can easily see how many tools and numbers that we have. So now I'm going to analyze my problem to see if I need to regroup anything. 201 is 200s, 0 tens, and 1 1. I can take 200s away from 3 hundreds. I can take 0 tens away from 2 tens. And I can take 1 1 away from 8 ones without having to regroup. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. And then I'm going to count my values and write my final answer. So I have 100, which has a value of 100. 2 tens have a value of 20. And I have 5 and 2 more, which is 7. And 7 ones have a value of 7. So my final answer, or the difference between 328 and 201, is 127. I have one more problem I'm going to show you, and then you can work on it by yourself after pausing the video, and unpause the video to check your work. 269 minus 43. Go ahead and start building that number, and then unpause the video to check your work. $269 has 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. I have 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. I want to take away 43. 43 has 4 tens and 3 ones. So I don't have to take any hundreds away. I can take 4 away from 6, and I can take 3 away from 9. So I'm going to start doing that. So now I have 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. 2 hundreds have a value of 200. 2 tens have a value of 20. And 6 ones have a value of 6. That is 225.